Hey everyone, and welcome back to How to University. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change a car tire. This is a very important skill that every driver should know. You never know when you may need to change a tire in the event that a roadside assistance service like AAA can't get to you. So, let's get started. Right off the bat, the first thing you need to do is to find a safe location to change the tire. Pull over to the side of the road in the shoulder or in a parking lot away from traffic. Gas stations are a good spot as they have air pumps you may be able to use. Next step is to gather all of the necessary tools. You will need a spare tire, a lug wrench, and a car jack. These tools are usually located in the trunk of your car and are provided by the car manufacturer. But if they aren't, stores like AutoZone and Pep Boys typically have these for sale and can help you find the right sizes for your car. It may help you to have the spare tire in close proximity to you. Once you have everything ready, you will loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Go ahead and place the car jack under the car, but don't lift yet. Now, using the lug wrench, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise, but don't take them off yet, as we still need to lift the car off the ground. Now we can go ahead and use the car jack to lift the car. You will want to lift it just enough to where the flat tire is off the ground, but the car is still stable enough to stand. Now that the car is off the ground, we can remove the lug nuts the tire by using the lug wrench until the nuts are fully loosened and can come off. Now that the car is off the ground, we can remove the lug nuts the tire by using the lug wrench until they completely come off. From there, we can remove the tire from the car and set it aside. Carefully install the spare tire, align it with the bolts on the wheel base, and put the lug nuts back on. Take the spare tire and align it with the bolts on the wheelbase. Then replace the lug nuts and turn them clockwise by hand as far as you can. But remember, don't tighten them all the way, as we will do that once the car is lowered. Using the car jack, lower the car until the spare tire is touching the ground. Then use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. Once the lug nuts are on there fully, remove the car jack, pack up the tools, and put the tools and flat tire away in the tire storage space in your car. And there you have it. You're now a pro at changing a car tire. Remember to always check the air pressure in your spare tire regularly and to get your flat tire repaired as soon as possible. Spare tires are meant to only be used for about 50 miles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to How to University's channel for more how-to videos. I'll see you next time.